So the first thing you have to do is to create a new artboard. Come to artboard tool and then click the plus sign. And then you're going to bring in your background. So I already have my background here. Just going to drag it into this new artboard I created. And then I'm going to add some blur effect to this one. So I have to come to my filter option and go to blur, Gaussian blur. Just add some blur effects. Alright, so just follow my process, follow the settings I'm using and click OK. Then, yeah, so the next step, I'm going to bring in the image of the model, which is here. I'm just going to make a duplicate, alt click and drag and bring it into the work area. Ensure it fills up the space. And then I'm going to call this model. Okay, then next up, I think I should add this circle. I go to my ellipse tool, click and take my ellipse tool. Hold your shift key, draw an ellipse. Give it a no fill. And then click and then add the stroke color. So I'm going to take the color picker tool and come here to pick a color of my choice, which is same color as my logo. Like this. And then I'm going to add I'm going to increase the stroke. Let me go for a 5. Okay, let me make it bigger. Even bigger. Okay, I think this is cool. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in my logo right here. Okay, I'm just going to click this and drag it, duplicate this, alt click and drag, bring this in here and resize it. I'm just going to take it up, something like so. And I'm going to add a stroke around my logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, go to blending options, and then I'm going to go to stroke, change here to outside, and then change this color to, let me use the same color as this ellipse. Click OK, and then increase the size of the circle, the stroke. Yeah, so when you get the desired effect you want, just go ahead and click OK. So take your text tool and then add the text. I'm going to press letter T on the keyboard, type in the word Graceville Solutions. Then I'm going to use the font. Let me go for a Montserrat. Yes, semi-bold. Yeah, I think that's cool. I'm going to bring it in here, and I'm going to resize it. And then alt click and drag to duplicate and type in the word solutions. So if you are finding this video useful already, please like this video, leave your comments in the comment section. If you have questions, drop them there and I'll attend to them as soon as possible. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Yes, so I'm going to group this and I'm going to call this logo. All right, so I'm going to start adding my texts. So I'm going to press letter T on the keyboard, type in the word happy. And then I'm going to, let me go for this color right here. Then I'm going to go for the font. Let me use the font. Okay, let me go for autograph. AUTOGR, autograph. Yes. It's here. Okay. And then I'm just going to duplicate this and type in the word new. Okay, I'm going to go change this to, let me take a Bibas, let me go for Bibas regular. And then I'm going to change this color. So I'm going to come to my character panel right here and then change this color to the deep blue color. Okay, click OK. And I'm going to duplicate this. Duplicate this, alt click and drag. And I'm going to type week. Okay, I'm going to change this to bold, the bold typeface. Yes, let me change this to bold. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take my rectangle tool, draw a rectangle here. And then I'm going to change this color to deep blue color. And I'm going to duplicate this, alt click and drag. I'm going to change this color to this color. Click OK. So I'm going to take my text tool and type in the word graphic design. Hold my alt. Cancel. Okay, hold my alt key. Select all. Change here to white. Oh, what's happening? Okay, to white. And I'm going to drag it into this rectangle. Resize it. Alright, I'm going to hold my alt key, click and drag, duplicate this. Change it to digital marketing. Change this color to a deep blue color. Okay, click OK. Then I'm going to type in the word send a DM now. I'm going to hold this, alt click and drag. I'm just going to say send a DM now. Okay, so finally I'm going to add the social media handles right here, okay, which comprise of my logos and the contact details. So I don't want this video to be too long. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to just lift or duplicate the social media handles from the other artboard and bring it in here so that it doesn't, I don't have to do all that from scratch. So I'm just going to locate the social media handles from the other, from this one, which is this right here. So I'm just going to duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate and drag it into my new artboard, my new design, so the video doesn't become too long. Yeah, so I've duplicated that. So I'm sure you found this video useful. If you did, please like this video, share this video with your friends and other designers, and of course, if you got questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll attend to them as soon as possible. And of course, please subscribe to my channel. It's a way of showing me support and encouraging me to keep making these videos. And of course, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I make this kind of videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.